Hello. So, that's how I grab your attention. These rims that I have right here, these are Honda Accord rims, and upon request from the owner, I am painting these. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that's what I'm gonna do. Where's your gloves?
What? Oh, bottom right. Yeah, that one? No, about that.
Alright, my bad. Alright, so I'm back, and I got the tires taken off these rims. So now the next step is getting these ready to paint. And in order for me to do that, these have sensors. So I gotta make sure I take these sensors off. Yeah. So we took all these off. Alright, we got all the sensors. Oh my, shut the f. Alright, we took all these off. We got all the tire sensors off. Now I have to make sure this rim is ready to be painted. The first thing I gotta do is I gotta clean this rim seat, because if you haven't, oh my. So this right here I have to make sure this rim seat is clean, because right here you can see all this shit. It's not good. Okay, this right here, if I inflate a tire on this, it might leak out from the rim here because it's not gonna sit properly against this. So first step here is I gotta clean the rim seat, both sides too. You could see under there, you can see that's dirty too on that side. So both sides we're gonna clean. What do you think you're doing? Are you not missing something? I just need to clean this off. You need your glasses. You know, so I'm gonna use this. I don't need glasses. You can't worry about me. Okay, listen, I'm just looking out for you. You're stressing. Just stop. Go. Yo, just go. I don't need you, okay? Just leave. Put the f glasses on right now, Mark. Oh, come on, bro. Alright, so I cleaned up the rim seats. Now that that's done, the next step is I gotta clean all of these rims. Gotta make sure all this dirt is taken off before I can actually start working on all this. You know, you see all this, like, all this shit. Like, I'm gonna have to grind this down. I'm gonna make it smooth again, but before I can do that, I have to make sure that these are clean. I don't want to be grinding dirt against the surface of these rims, so, you know, clean that shit. So here I got my bucket, and I'm gonna use
some Dawn
dish soap. So use whatever you want. The point is you gotta make sure the rims are clean, right? As long as I can take off, you know, all that dirt. I mean, that's the whole goal. Here's the setup. Got the rims, got the bucket with water and soap, got this, and I also got my pressure washer. This is really good. You don't have to use a pressure washer, but this is quick. Let's get this. Let's cue the music. You dig? Alright, so I got the rims cleaned as much as I could because I just want to grind them down now. Got spots like this. That's a little rough here. It's from just corrosion. You see even spots here. It starts to bubble up. It's just corrosion from underneath. All I'm trying to do is I'm trying to grind this down so that it's smooth, because after I paint it, if I painted it over this, it's gonna show in the paint. So I just gotta make sure it's smooth. I don't have to worry about the looks of it right now. So I'm gonna use this. This should help just, you know, clear up all this corrosion and make it smooth again. Alright, so I finished grinding the rims. All the major corrosion has been taken off from the grinder. So the next step is to use sandpaper. Basically make everything smooth, because right now we have heavy scratches. So sandpaper, usually a fine sandpaper, will smooth out the scratches. And then after that, I'm going to wash these again and then we're going to paint them. So after using that 1000 grit sandpaper, the surface is a little bit more smooth now, as you can tell. But I'm going to finish this off with 2000 grit. This is going to be a super fine finish. So after that, we're going to clean this and we're going to clean up all the other rims, and then these are going to be ready to paint. So now these rims are just drying off, and so I'm gonna leave them here for a little bit, and until then I'm gonna start prepping my spray cans. While these are drying, I'm just gonna leave my spray cans in warm water. That way I'm prepping them while these are getting ready to be painted. So putting them in warm water, that helps when I'm actually spraying them, so the spray comes out nice. So yeah, after these are done, we're gonna get straight to painting them. Alright, so 3 coats later, I'm done my base coat. So I like these. Are they perfect? No, but they're much better than what they looked like in the beginning. So I'm happy with that. Now all I gotta do is clear coat, put the tires on, and that's it. I apologize, I know there's always a lawnmower in the background, but my neighborhood's a little bit busy. But anyways, now that we gotten this far, all we gotta do now is put on the tires. And once I get those on, and bam! You see this? Did you blink? You must have blinked, because that's how fast we are, baby. We don't play no games around here, okay? Got these tires on? That's a wrap. Oh, you thought the video was over? Cue the music. Boom. Boom. So that's pretty much it. Let me know how I did in the comment section below. I know that I'm not professional, but I'm working on my craft. So every job I get, it's my chance to get better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm happy. We changed the rims from being old and the owner was, you know, not satisfied with how they looked. Now they're way more satisfied, and that's basically a job done. So thank you guys for watching. And if you guys want to be a part of the Zilla squad, I just came up with that. You want to be a part of that squad? That's my squad. That's our squad, family. Subscribe. Be a subscriber. You know, you be a part of the squad. Make sure to like the video as well and share it if you want to. That helps me out too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Actually, yeah, you're gonna die in this one too. Sorry, not sorry.